Hi, folks. This is a final reminder that your persuasive essays are due by 11:59 p.m. tonight. But as I said in my previous announcement, I'll be grading through the week. My grades aren't due until Sunday at noon, but I'm not going to wait till the last minute. People won't be happy. So try to get your essays in on a timely manner. It was a pleasure working with you folks. You did some great work, especially after the transition. I know it was difficult for some of you, and I've heard the stories. Some of them are amazing to me because you were, despite some of the hardships that you experienced, you were able to keep up on the work, and I am greatly appreciative of all your efforts. So, Kwaheri, Swahili, which means goodbye. Thank you.